Setu Bandhasana, also known as bridge pose, is a yoga posture that helps to stretch the chest, neck, spine, and hips while strengthening the back, glutes, and hamstrings. It's particularly beneficial for reducing stress, alleviating back pain, and improving posture. How to perform Setu Bandhasana? 1. Start position. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides, palms facing down. Bend your knees and place your feet hip-width apart, close to your buttocks. 2. Lift the hips. On an inhale, press into your feet and lift your hips and lower back off the floor, keeping your shoulders and head grounded. Your thighs should remain parallel. 3. Engage the back and legs, press your shoulders down. Clasp your hands underneath your body, if comfortable, and keep your chest lifted toward your chin. 4. Hold. Maintain this position for a few breaths, keeping your neck relaxed and gaze straight up. 5. Release. Exhale and slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Benefits of Setu Bandhasana: strengthens the back, glutes, and legs. Opens up the chest, shoulders, and spine. Stimulates abdominal organs and improves digestion. Relieves stress and anxiety. Can help improve thyroid function and blood circulation.